Is it so wrong to try to knock everybody out in one group session? Because I have all my aunts in Florida and then some cousins up in the north side.
Hold on,
why is there something? Why is the timer going? I don't have time to be like
Tyson
person
is the person in the family.
And you're saying the same thing. So I'm like, hey, I'm gonna hit all y'all at one time.
The family texting.
They got mad at me.
He pulls everybody in.
I don't see what the big deal is.
I don't want to know everything. I don't want 80 texts that you and your brother are sending back and forth about God knows what. I don't need to know.
My daughter was like, Dad, who are these people that you have me on this group text with? I don't
Your
know who they are.
On it?
Yeah, I added everybody.
How many people are on your family text?
So what's funny is that I had 7 people on, and then they kept complaining. So I was like, you know what? Y'all want to complain? I added more people to the bunch.
Tyson.
I just started adding people. And so they, I had about 15.
Don't do that, y'all. Don't do that to your family. Nobody wants to know all that.
But now I realize that it is annoying.
What made you realize it was annoying?
Because after I deleted everybody off and tried to stop it, they kept answering the text.